Bushiri's daughters and mother-in-law prevented from leaving Malawi. Shepherd Bushiri's mother-in-law and daughters were not bound by any travel restrictions, yet were stopped from leaving Malawi. Self-proclaimed prophet Shepherd Bushiri's daughters and mother-in-law have been prevented from leaving Malawi. Bushiri's attorney Wapona Kita confirmed to Times Live that the daughters and their grandmother were on Friday prevented from traveling to Kenya. "We are still trying to understand why they were blocked from leaving, because they have not committed any offense and there are no travel restrictions imposed on them," quote, he said. Kita did not divulge further details on why the children and their grandmother were going to Kenya and when they had planned to return to Malawi. Bushiri and his wife Mary fled SA a week after being released on a $200,000 bail by the Pretoria Magistrates Court. Shortly after leaving, Bushiri said in a Facebook post that they had left the country for their safety. The Bushiri and their co-accused, Xolani Gwala, William Mudolo, and his wife Dlathu, face charges of theft, money laundering, and fraud in connection with an alleged R100 meters investment scheme. The Bushiris' bail conditions barred them from traveling outside SA. They and their co-accused were instructed to report every Monday and Friday to their nearest police station, barred from disposing of property, ordered to hand over to the state the original title deed to their R5.5 meters property in Centurion, and barred from threatening witnesses, the investigation and prosecution teams, even while preaching. Their extradition case will be heard on March the 8th in Malawi.